It's Government Teachers Training College, Khulna. It is established in 1970. So before the independence of Bangladesh. So interesting thing is Government Teachers Training College, Khulna, and the HSTTI Khulna, side by side. That means Higher Secondary Teachers Training Institute Khulna, and that is hostel of HSTTI, the mosque, and this is field maybe for both institutes, and this is Government Teachers Training College Khulna, and science building. This is guest house. So now I'm going outside of these two institutes. গুণগত প্রশিক্ষণ মানসম্মত শিক্ষা সরকারি টিচার্স ট্রেনিং কলেজ খুলনা. This is the main gate. I'm going outside of this college, and this is main gate.